My name's Kajal Devani. I work for the Canadian Angus Association as their Director of Breed Improvement. So genetic improvement and use of DNA technology really are my passion. And as my master's project at the University of Alberta under Dr. Graham Plasto, I designed, as part of a team of course, a DNA tracking system for the Canadian beef industry. The Canadian beef industry is comprised of 5 main, very independent sectors. There's very little integration and information sharing between the sectors. So one of the goals of this system was to encourage information sharing and facilitate it between all the sectors, and then be able to deliver that product attribute information back to the consumer and give us a tool, an audit tool, if you will, to verify product for consumers, which is becoming more and more in demand in the food industry now. The design of the system included, it was based on SNP, single nucleotide polymorphism technology. Since the sequencing of the bovine genome in 2009, SNP technology has become ubiquitous in the industry. As a tool, it's excellent for parent verification and animal identification. We used 105 SNPs in this system. They're recommended by the USDA and by ISAG as excellent candidates for parent verification and animal identification. So that was the basis of the system. And then we demonstrated it last year. So, to see it is to believe it. So we demonstrated the value of it by DNA sampling calves at the farm and then matching those samples to DNA samples we took on the beef product to verify that the beef product and its labeling all matched up to the calves and their management and their attributes, thereby confirming those labeling attributes for the consumer. It was commercialized through the Canadian Angus Association in February of this year, and we're hoping that it'll make industry impact and help producers who do retain ownership of their calves and market their calves under branded beef programs, an audit tool, and B, a competitive advantage by offering them traceability and label verification. One of our concerns, especially with the popularity of the word Angus and its synonymity with quality in the consumer's mind, we want to protect that brand name and prevent people from passing on commodity beef or traditionally raised beef as Angus beef or naturally raised beef, etc., etc. So it does certainly lend to protecting brands that people have spent a lot of time in developing.